Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
When even I was not an actor, I was Googling myself because I used to feel that one day I'll be here, in the news and everything. So there was one fan who gave me a gold ring also. So I was like, I cannot take this gold ring. So मेरी friend की शादी हो रही थी, so I've gifted that gold ring to her. And मेरा और शशांक का तो आप लोगों को सबको पूरा जग जाहिर है that argument. And which was blown out of proportion and became a big fight on set, shoe foot. और वो step out हुआ, फिर वो step पीछे हो गया. मैंने कहा यहाँ पे कौन छुप रहा है? Literally. So मैं गई भाग के और मैंने देखा यहाँ पे तो कोई भी नहीं है. And मेरी फट गई. मैंने कहा oh shit, what was that?
So we'll be doing a never have I ever segment. I'll tell you a few things and you have to tell me if you ever done them or no.
Yeah, okay. Definitely.
Have you ever picked up things from a hotel?
I did actually. The guy who came and there were cashews and there were almonds and everything was there. So he told me, "Why are you not taking all these, ma'am? Take them." Like, okay, fine, I'll take them.
Yeah, added benefit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Have you ever Googled yourself?
I definitely did. When even I was not an actor, I was Googling myself because I used to feel that one day I'll be here, in the news and everything. So I had this thing in my mind, in my head. Maybe that's why I used to do that. And I think it really happens. You dream really comes true.
Yeah. Have you ever stalked a fan account?
Stalked a fan account? No, yaar. No, I never stalked a fan account. No.
Yeah, ever some comment or something comes up.
No, I never did that. Maybe somebody made some, sketching photos of mine. So I've reposted them. I do them now. Initially, I never used to interact with fans. I never used to reply to them or like their comment. And they used to say, how arrogant. I don't know. I'm not like that. Why people think like that? Because I never used to have time to do all that. No, but in this lockdown, I think I have lots and lots of time. So I started this Open Up to Donald also, this campaign and all that. So I think my fans are really, really happy now. And I've made a full.
Yeah. Have you deleted a post from Instagram?
Deleted a post from Instagram? Yes, I did. But why? Because I think I really didn't like that picture. I wanted to zoom in that picture or cut it in another way or something. So like that I did. Else, so I've never.
Yeah. Okay. Re-gifted a gift that was given to you?
Yeah, a lot. Because I get a lot of gifts and the fans and all, they give lots of gifts. So maybe I am not using them. So I've gifted it to. So there was one fan who gave me a gold ring also. So I was like, I cannot take this gold ring. So मेरी friend की शादी हो रही थी. So I've gifted that gold ring to her.
Okay. Got hit by someone of the same gender?
I cannot clearly say, but yeah, girls do like, and I can see that sort of, but not like literally hitting on me.
Yeah.
I don't give those kind of vibes also, I think.
Okay. Had an argument with your co-star?
Yeah. होता ही रहता है वो तो. And मेरा और शशांक का तो आप लोगों को सबको पूरा जग जाहिर है that argument, and which was blown out of proportion and became a big fight on set. But it was not like that. But हाँ, बातें and कुछ discussion about the work and ऐसा line ऐसा बोलेंगे ऐसा करेंगे तो वो तो होता ही रहता है ना. Everybody has their own opinions. It doesn't mean that मतलब बहुत बड़ा झगड़ा हो गया.
Yeah. We'll do a last few. Have you ever had a paranormal experience?
Yes, I did. And मैं जब शो कर रही थी एक दीवाना था और वैसे भी वो घोस्ट एंड ऑल इस सब का मैं फर्स्ट डे गई थी लुक टेस्ट करने के लिए। तो ऊपर सिनेविस्टा करके जो एक प्लेस है वहां पे मुझे, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई गॉट टू नो दैट प्लेस इज लिटिल हॉन्टेड सॉर्ट ऑफ, that area specifically I got to know after a while. तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि सामने, और वो पूरा ना सुनसान और बहुत लंबा कॉरिडोर, और वैसे देख के डर लग रहा था। आई वाज द ओनली गर्ल उस वाले एरिया पर, और कोई भी नहीं था। माय हेयर दी एंड एवरीबॉडी वाज कमिंग आफ्टर मी। तो मैं गई और मैंने लेफ्ट देखा तो पूरा कॉरिडोर खाली, ऐसा वीरान सन्नाटा जैसा, जैसे फिल्मों में होता है ना वैसा। और मैंने राइट देखा तो आई सॉ अ लेग, मतलब फुट, शू फुट, और वो स्टेप आउट हुआ, फिर वो स्टेप पीछे हो गया। मैंने कहा यहाँ पे कौन छुप रहा है, लिटरली। सो मैं गई भाग के और मैंने देखा यहाँ पे तो कोई भी नहीं है, एंड मेरी पट गई। मैंने कहा शिट, व्हाट वाज दैट। तो पीछे से मैं पीछे देखा तो दी वगैरह भी पीछे से आई। देन आई टोल्ड हर कि मैंने कहा हेलो दी, कुछ तो मतलब मैंने बोली क्या मैंने कहा ऐसा ऐसा कुछ था। तो सब आए, मुझे कमरे में बिठाया, एंड देन दे टोल्ड मी अबाउट ऑल दिस। बट आई थिंक ना आपके माइंड में होता है, आई वोंट से द प्लेस इज हॉन्टेड, बट बिकॉज आई फेल्ट इट एट फर्स्ट प्लेस, यार ये तो बड़ा हॉन्टेड जैसा लग रहा है, no, so that is why the thing came in my mind. I think like that.
Yeah, but it was quite an experience.
Oh my god, yeah.
Okay, have you sent a text to a wrong person?
Wrong person, yes, हुआ है ना। और रॉन्ग पर्सन को टेक्स्ट भी किया है। एक तो पूरा हम लोगों ने एक माइक्रो वेब सीरीज बनाया, टिया एंड राज, एक रॉन्ग कॉल को लेकर के। Very interesting.
Yeah. Okay, Donal. Okay, just tell me last question, a very interesting one. Have you ever lied in an interview?
Lied in an interview? No, बिल्कुल नहीं। मैं आपको जो भी बताया वो एकदम सच बताया।
Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's been great. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.